So who's geared up for this bull market? This bull market is going to be insane. Why? ETFs. And then we've got the halvings coming off. We've got the elections coming up. We've got the stock markets at all-time high. Things are looking bullish. The printers will be coming on in the US. And, you know, if you're not bullish now, I don't know what else to say, because at the moment we've been through 2 years of absolute hell in the crypto industry. FTX, Celsius, bust. FTX, the biggest scam out there, caused the whole market to fully crash. And if you've been DCAing through all these hard times, the light at the end of the tunnel is here. And this is where we should be excited. Could be the time where people like me and you could make life-changing money. We could, you could pay your debts off, pay your mortgage off. Millionaires will be made. Get that dream sports car that you've always wanted. Go on those nice holidays that you've always wanted. Opportunities are here. People are saying this could be the last cycle. It might not be. But what I'm looking at, I'm treating this as actually that this is the last cycle. So I'm working damn hard and doing my research. I'm here every day, looking at the charts, looking what's going on. And for you out there, CRO holders, we've done a 2x already. And we've got a long way to go. We're about 10% in to this bull market, maybe a little bit more. We've got 2024 and people saying we could go into 2025. Bitcoin at the moment is sitting at 45,700 for making this video. You know, it's insane to see where we were not so long ago when all these collapses were happening and where we are now. Everything is bullish. We've got 73% on greed. Fear and greed index is showing 73. Lots going on. And, I'm not saying that we can't get a black swan event. We're not going to get pullbacks. Yes, we're going to get pullbacks. And could we get a black swan event? Maybe, maybe not. It's like, who knows? But for you holders out there who hold CRO, Tectonic, and other cryptos, I feel it's time to get excited. And I really am bullish, because we've got like the news that the ETF could be coming around the corner today or tomorrow, and then we've got Reuters saying asset management firms hoping to be among the first to win regulatory approval to launch their exchange trade ETFs tied to the spot price of Bitcoin, up their filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission either Thursday or Friday. So we've got either today, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. So what I am expecting over these coming days is basically we're going to get a lot of manipulation coming through. But we're looking at the Cronos price at the moment. We've just got above that 10 pence mark now. So we've gone up by 4.43 over the past day. And like so, we've done this 2x. Some people are saying, CRO's not really doing anything. We've done a 2x, which is not bad. You go to the stock markets, good luck on that one. But yeah, we've done a 2x. And I really do think we're going to go to $1. If Bitcoin goes to all-time high, we're going to $1, we're going to $2, $3. And all those doubters out there, they'll be eating their words. And the ones who have not been DCA'd in, well, that's their problem, not ours. The people who've DCA'd in deserve the prize at the end of the rainbow. And like I said, not financial advice, do your own research. But for me, as we're going up, and we're at early stages bull market, I'm waiting for a bit longer before I start to take some profits out, because that's what the whole game is. Diamond hands, great. But you want to be taking profits on the way up, because nobody knows where the top is. Remember, it's at the bottom. Nobody knows where the bottom is. So you started DCAing in because you don't know where the bottom is, but you don't know where the top is as well. So you do the reversal for the bull market. And that's what you've got to do. But Cronos is looking very strong at the moment. Crypto.com and the Cronos have been the projects, the partnerships they're building, the licenses for regulatory approvals. They're all there. It's all in place. Cronos started November 2021. It's a young ecosystem and it's growing. It basically created at the end of the last bull cycle, at the end of bull cycle. So what's it going to do at the early stage of bull cycle and throughout? There's lots of room there for it to grow. And you can see with crypto.com, they're getting confident because obviously you've got a lot of now, a lot of these features are coming back on the debit cards and the earns. Lots happening with crypto.com. So there's lots to be bullish about with crypto.com and the Cronos and the CRO token. Lots of good people are seeing CRO, crypto.com, and they're going to buy CRO. That's the way it is. That's what's going to happen. CRO, crypto.com, all that, it's just going to go insane. And I was looking at the charts, for this. This is on the 2-day charts. And what excites me on this one, on the stochastic deviance and the stock, we're all pretty much oversold on all of it, pretty much. And when we look at the charts on this, we've got this descending wedge. We've broken out of that now. But we've got the golden cross, which has come in, which is the 50 and 200-day moving average. But also, if you look at the price action concepts, which I'll pop on in here, we've got it, we're smacking our heads on a bit of resistance. But if you look at here, there's not much sell pressure at all. So once we break through this, there's not much sell pressure at all. And like I said, we've got a positive sign here pushing up. But we've also got the smart trade, which is here. This bit here, we're following it. The smart trade, we're following it up. The smart trail is pushing up. So if we break through this, we're going up. And I really do think we could be hitting 18 pence pretty soon. As Bitcoin pushes up, if this ETF comes through and Bitcoin pumps heavy, I can really do see that we're going to smash through this and get to the 17, 18, 20 pence mark. And it's all triggering there. The volume's coming in, we're oversold, and we've got the plus sign here. We've got a change of structure that has happened. So we're waiting for that breaker structure now to come in. But everything's there. Descending triangle, breaker structure. We've got heavy bullish momentum coming in. We're oversold. And this is on the 2-day. So there's lots going on for CRO. These signals to me is saying that a big move is coming soon. We've got the golden cross on the 2-day. And we're about to push up. We've got like I said, we've got the smart trend pushing up. Everything's there. It's pushing up. On these charts, it's pushing up. And we can see on the Bitcoin, if I just remove this here a sec, and we just put it on the daily for Bitcoin. We've just broken out of the ascending wedge. And with smart trail, it's pushing up. And we've just got a plus sign on momentum for the bulls are pushing up, and we're not even overbought. And this is on the 1-day. So Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish, pumping up. So with bulls coming even stronger now, it's not really pushing up. And this ETF at any point gets your clear. As long as it's not sell the news and the bulls step in, this is going in. Bulls are stepping in now and pushing it up. So for CRO, it's happening. It's happening. And those are the trigger signs for me to say, we're pushing up. Because when you look at the CRO, it's there. All those trigger signs. And why I put on the title of the video is all the signs are there to push up. And, and like I said, all these positive things that are happening with crypto.com and the Cronos, it's all there. And when we haven't even got retail coming in yet. So we've got retail to come in. And, when we see, like I said, we see what CRO, crypto.com are doing. All those features coming back, which is another trigger sign for me that the bull market is on its way. Obviously, they've got volumes coming into crypto.com because when they're bringing all this back it's because they see the amount of people who are signing up to crypto.com as an exchange. And when you've got like India banning so many other exchanges, but crypto.com is still in India, like with Coinbase, then, you know, it's showing what's happening in the exchange side of things, on the business side of things, and on the exchanges, that the strongest are starting to break up. And crypto.com doesn't get talked about by many bigger influence out there. I do not know why, but they're all there with Binance. But crypto.com is really, really going to melt faces in this bull market. And the Cronos is going to melt faces as well. And we see Tectonic. With Tectonic, what they're doing, it's Cronos and crypto.com, and the Cro pushes up. We can see here on the 4 hourly, we're starting to break out. We've had this sell-off here, and now look, we've broken up. There's nothing till around this area of resistance. And this is on the 4 hourly. This VPOVR node here there's nothing after that. There's nothing there stopping us to start pumping up. And like I said, if Bitcoin pumps, CRO pumps, Tectonic is going to pump there, because I've said on previous videos, when you look at what Tectonic are doing with the partnerships, and now becoming a lot more community focused in terms of engaging with the community. We need community, like with CRO, the Cro fam. They're behind crypto.com, they're behind the Cronos, and Tectonic community is behind Tectonic, and generally behind crypto.com and the Cronos as well. They're getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And we can see here, if we close up, we sort of bottomed out here. There's like a lot of support around this area, and you can see here, we've just found that area again of support. And now we're starting to push up. And as long as this CRO starts to push up and we get that momentum from Bitcoin, it's going to drag the market up with us. But at the moment, Total 3 is still undervalued, in my opinion. So when Total 3 starts really breaking out, we'll go parabolic. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you know, everybody, if you've been DCAing in the times of scariness, and when everything is down and everything's doom and gloom, crypto's going to zero and whatever, and you've been DCAing CRO at 4 cents, at 5 cents, and even on the bear market on the way down, it's going to average itself out. There's lots of people who are in CRO and Tectonic who are going to be millionaires. Crypto as a whole, there's going to be a lot of millionaires being made. It has been a lot of millionaires been made, and there's a lot more to be made. And I'm treating this as this could be our last cycle, and it probably won't be, but I'm treating it like that. I'm taking it extremely serious, like I did in the last bull market, and hopefully we're all going to come out shining at the end of the bull cycle. I really hope so, and that, because it's exciting times ahead. And don't forget, there's going to be pullbacks. There could be a black swan event. We don't know. There's lots of things going now out there in terms of geopolitical problems. But on the positive note, we're bullish as anything, and I'm really excited. And I don't know about you, but I'm checking my app, my crypto.com app, and my other exchange apps all the time, and seeing that price going up. And when you see that little bit of a pullback, you think, oh God, you know. But yeah, it's looking really good. So yeah, so I hope this video has been helpful. But like I said, just give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care and enjoy these green days.